Hello, third grade, and welcome to social studies for today. We're going to continue looking at maps and geography. In our last lesson, we looked at the cardinal directions. The cardinal directions were north, east, south, and west. We also looked at some intermediate directions, northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. Intermediate directions always begin with either north or south, and then the east or west is second. Today, we are going to be using that compass rose to label this city. So let's go to your class kick. At the bottom, we have directions on what we are adding to the picture. Please follow along with me on your class kick as we go through each one of these. Now we have a little compass rose down here at the bottom that shows us the cardinal directions. And at the top, we also have our little label if you forget which each one of them mean. So we are actually going to do part of these together, and then you'll do part on your own. So we're actually going to do the odds. So number 2 says draw a tree in the northeast. So I'm going to find the northeast. So that's between north and east is northeast. And I'm going to add a tree somewhere in the northeast. So I'll put a little tree. There you go. Yours will probably look better. You can add color if you would like to. All right, and I'll go ahead and mark that one off. Now for number 4, draw a car driving south. So I know south is down here, and that's the direction I want it to be going. I want it to be going south. So I'll find a road somewhere on here, and I'll draw a car going south. There we are. We have a car on a road going south. We can cross that one off, number 4. And go to number 6, draw another car driving west. So west is going this direction. So I'll draw a car going to the west. All right, I have my car driving towards the west. Can cross that one off. Fix my cross. And finally, number 8, draw something else on the map. In what part of the map did you draw it? So I'm actually going to draw, let's see, I'll draw a school. So I'll draw a school right here. And that is in the top corner, this direction right here. And that is between north and west. So that is in the northwest. So I can type out northwest. Now your assignment is to complete everything that we drew in on here already, and then you will also do the even. So you're going to have to draw a house in the east. So that is on this side. Draw a house in the east. Number 3, draw a pond in the southwest. So find south, west, and find that angle. So somewhere over here, you will draw a pond. Draw an ice cream shop in the north. So north is at the top. So draw an ice cream shop. Draw a deer crossing the road in the northeast. So find north, east. All right, so somewhere over here, I'll find a deer crossing a road. Draw a deer crossing the road. And that is all we are doing for our social studies for today. We'll continue looking at maps in the next lesson.